when we move to the next question, okay, here, when we move to the next question, so consider the following leaders associated with the left movements in India. M.N. Roy, Subhas Chandra Bose, JP Narayan. How many of them founded a political party distinct from the Indian National Congress? How many of them formed the political party distinct from the Indian National Congress? Okay, so here when we talk M.N. Roy, we are very much well aware that the Democratic Radical Party, he created that in 1940. Subhash Chandra Bose, we are very much well aware that he created the Forward Bloc. And JP Narayan, after the independence also, he is going to create the particular, the Janata Party. Okay, so that is one aspect. So all the three had created a separate party. And from the above explanations, it is quite clear. Okay, from the above explanations, it is quite clear that what it is generally. Okay, that is there.